physical therapist and Pilates studio owner at Pilates Sante. And today I want to show a technique that I talk about in my new lumbar book about how to unload a client's lumbar spine if they have general low back pain. This could be done at the end of the session, it could be done throughout the session. Many of our clients have sensitivity to gravitational load. This is a very gentle way to unload the spine. You'll have your client lying on your back. Ideally, they can hold posts up above, either at the springboard or the trap table. You'll just glide your hands behind their knees, and then you'll lean back. So you're not pulling with your arms necessarily, you're pulling with your body weight. And you should start to ask the client, how does this feel? Can you feel a gentle stretch in your low back? Does that feel good? You'll hold for about 10 seconds and then gently let the stretch off. Some people will be symptomatic or find it uncomfortable as you let the stretch off, so please, again, be cautious with how much you pull and then how slow you release. Okay? If they have one-sided pain, like Christina does on her right, you can consider just pulling on the right side. So you would hold just above the ankle. Let them have a very relaxed leg here. Again, my arms are fairly straight and I'm just leaning back. I can even kind of get a little leverage by pressing my legs into the frame of the trap, and I'm holding for about 10 seconds and then releasing. If the client would like a little more pull, they are welcome to kind of pull with their arms. They pull down gently with their arms as I pull gently through the leg to traction and unload the lumbar spine on the symptomatic side. You wouldn't do this longer for 3 to 5 minutes, on and off, 10 seconds on, 10 seconds off.